AI is no longer a niche capability. For software developers, it's quickly becoming a core part of application design. But building a real AI solution takes more than calling a model endpoint. You need to think about models, AI services, prompts, code, tools, and the platform that ties everything together. I'm Anton, your AI-generated trainer, and I'll be your guide as we explore how to prepare for AI development on Microsoft Azure. In this module, we'll look at how Azure supports the AI development workflow, and we'll cover the kinds of AI capabilities you can add to an application, the Azure services and tools available to you, the role of Microsoft Foundry, and the engineering practices that help teams build responsibly. Artificial intelligence is a broad term, and that can make it hard to translate into engineering decisions. For developers, the useful question is not just what AI is, but what AI can do inside an application. Today, AI systems are built on machine learning models trained on large amounts of data. Those models are what underpin technologies like generative AI and agents that enable autonomous content generation and workflow automation. The models encapsulate semantic language patterns, making them ideal for text analysis tasks. And that language understanding extends to verbal communication through speech recognition and synthesis. Computer vision models enable AI apps and agents to process visual input and generate images and video. And all of these capabilities together make it possible for AI to extract and process information from a broad range of sources, enabling you to automate even the most complex of business processes. AI is not one feature. It's a toolbox of capabilities. The better you define the jobs your application needs to do, the easier it becomes to plan the right implementation. AI development becomes an organizational challenge as much as a coding challenge. You need a place to manage models, agents, tools, data connections, and project resources without turning the architecture into a mess. Microsoft Foundry is designed to solve that problem. It's the recommended platform on Azure for building most modern AI solutions. In Microsoft Foundry, your work is organized around projects. In a Foundry project, you can find and deploy models. Use those models to power agents. Connect those agents to tools, and help them find the knowledge they need to automate tasks and collaborate intelligently on workflows. The assets in your Foundry project are connected to a parent resource in Microsoft Azure, providing access to cloud services for compute, storage, endpoint publishing, and identity management and authentication. This parent-child structure gives teams a practical boundary between project-level assets and platform-level resources. So, how do you actually work with the assets in your Foundry project? The Microsoft Foundry portal provides a visual environment where teams can collaborate on AI projects. Here, you can discover the models and tools you need to create AI solutions. Developers can build agents and workflows that use those models and tools. And administrators can operate AI solutions, monitoring resource performance and controlling costs. Microsoft Foundry gives AI projects a home. It centralizes the assets developers work with every day while still supporting automation and scale. Not every AI feature needs a custom agent or a prompt-heavy workflow. In many cases, the best solution is to use a purpose-built AI service that already does the job well. That's where Microsoft Foundry tools come in. They provide pre-built APIs and models for common AI tasks, often with lower complexity, lower cost, and more predictable behavior than a fully generative approach. Foundry Tools is a suite of AI services that you can easily plug into your solutions. Azure Language and Foundry Tools helps with natural language processing tasks like entity recognition and personal information redaction. Azure Speech and Foundry Tools handles speech-to-text and text-to-speech for voice-enabled apps and agents. Azure Translator in Foundry Tools translates between many international languages. Azure Document Intelligence extracts fields from forms, invoices, and receipts. And Azure Content Understanding expands into multimodal analysis across documents, images, audio, and video. These tools give developers off-the-shelf building blocks that can be easier to validate and easier to scale than asking a large language model to improvise every step. A common mistake in AI projects is reaching for a general-purpose model when a focused service would be faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Foundry tools help you start with the right level of abstraction and help you get to an effective solution sooner. An AI platform is only useful if developers can work with it efficiently. That means choosing tools and SDKs that fit your language, your workflow, and your team. On Azure, you can build AI applications with familiar development tools like Visual Studio Code, in which the Foundry Toolkit extension brings your Foundry project assets right into the development workspace. When it comes to actually writing code, you can use the Foundry SDK along with ubiquitous OpenAI APIs and Foundry tool libraries. And you can leverage AI assistance from GitHub Copilot to supercharge your productivity. The best developer workflow combines the right editor, the right extension, solid source control, and the APIs your application actually needs. AI systems can feel intelligent and persuasive, which makes them powerful, but also risky. Users may trust AI output more than they should, and poor system design can create real harm through bias, unsafe recommendations, privacy failures, or opaque decision-making. That's why responsible AI is not a policy appendix. It's a software engineering requirement. When you develop an AI solution, before you deliver it to an unsuspecting world, consider these 6 principles. Is your application designed to ensure fairness? AI systems should avoid treating people unequally or reinforcing bias. Is it reliable and safe? It needs to mitigate potential harm through its actions and outputs. Privacy and security requirements should protect sensitive information, in both the training data and in user input. Inclusiveness means designing for the broad range of people affected by the system, with considerations for accessibility. Transparency ensures that users understand what the system does, what data it uses, and where its limitations are. And accountability means people, not models, remain responsible for outcomes. By considering all 6 of these principles right from the very start of the planning and design process, you can build a responsible AI solution that provides the best outcomes for users and developers. Responsible AI is how you make advanced systems worthy of real user trust. It's not separate from engineering quality. It's a crucial element of a successful solution. The main takeaway from this module is that successful AI development is not just about model access. It's about choosing the right capability, the right service, the right workflow, and the right safeguards. Microsoft Foundry gives developers a practical center of gravity for AI projects on Azure. Around that platform, Azure provides specialized services, strong tooling, and SDK options across common languages. But none of that replaces sound engineering judgment. The teams that succeed are the ones that plan deliberately and build responsibly.